want to earn $35 from a sale that you will do just sitting at home. If you are wondering how to do it, let's go to our video. With this business model that I'm going to show you today, a lot of people earn thousands of dollars a month. I suggest you watch the video without skipping so that you don't get confused and understand it better. Perhaps most of you know this site that you have seen. The site is called Etsy. This site is an e-commerce platform. You might think of it like Amazon, but more handcrafted or personalized products are sold. You see ads that are sold in a physical way, but you don't have to sell physically. Follow the steps I will give to earn thousands of dollars per month without having to deal with shipping at all. As you can see, this seller has sold 14,000 pieces of these designs, which cost an average of $3. If we do a quick math, it's worth $42,000. And he earned all this money without any shipping problems at all. Now let me show you how you can make these designs. I'm using Canva.com because it's easy. Click on Create Design. You can add text if you want. You can change the font and size. You can also add a photo you want from the Element section. Then you can save your project in any format. For the listing photo after making your design, smartmockups.com, you can enter the site. Upload your design to the site and download the mockup. Then you can upload the downloaded images to Etsy. After that, all you have to do is write a product description and wait for the orders. You can get help from ChatGPT for product description. If you want to ship the product to customers physically, not digitally, you can use the teespring.com. This site allows you to make and sell designs for free. The only thing you need to do is design. Teespring is taking care of the shipping part. You can use Etsy ads to get more traffic on Etsy, or you can upload the products you make to Pinterest. I started selling on Etsy, and it's going well so far. These are my Etsy statistics too. I'm showing it to you for motivation. If you start today without procrastinating, there is no reason why you cannot succeed. Take action now and earn money. We are actually showing you many money-making ways that have not yet been shown to you for free on our channel. If you want more ways to make money in this way, you can take a look at our channel. I would like to note that this is all from us for today. If you liked our video, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel for free. In the comments section, which is the most important thing for me, write down which country you live in so that I can show you the methods of making money that work for the country where you live. If you have watched it so far, write "I will be rich" in the comments. See you in other videos. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye.